got something kind of cool. 2010 Topps 2010 Baseball Update Series Hobby. I love opening, I guess, technically it's modern, not ultra modern baseball, but stuff from when I was a kid or, you know, a young adult, just to see what's in there. Alex Sanabia. We've got Cole Gillespie for the D-backs. Rook. Andrew Jones. What's we got here? Ryan Ludwig. Got Milton Bradley. Chris Heisey for the Reds. Brennan Bosch. We got here something. Adam Kennedy for the Nationals. Is this numbered? Just gold. Oh, yeah, there it is, down there. 872 out of 2010. That's cool. A little parallel. Eddie Murray on a throwback. What is this? Vintage Legends. Get up there, Eddie. And a probably very expired Miguel Cabrera Topps Attacks card. Thanks for watching.